Hey guys! We are back again. Anne is behind the camera. Wish you could see her right now, but you'll see her later once we pierce her ears. Kim got these.
Yeah, Kim bought these on Amazon, right?
Yeah, so I've been just like browsing Amazon, and then I thought to pierce my ears because I've always wanted to kind of like fill them up. You're not supposed to do like your cartilage and stuff, but I think I'm gonna do one at least. So I'm a little scared. I don't know.
You used to have your cartilage?
Yeah.
But
And I got it pierced at a random Asian supermarket by a lady. So I mean, like, it was fine when she did it. So I trust my sisters to do it. We have these kits, and we have numbing. And give me the numbing.
You know, I actually worked at a store where
This is our numbing here, guys.
We got some.
I worked at a store where I pierced people's ears.
Oh yeah. See.
Yeah.
So Vivian did do it.
I did in the mall, and I pierced Anne's ear. Anne pierced mine. I have. Oh no, you can't even see. I'm not wearing earrings. But
Anyways, we don't know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna take you guys along.
You can see that this whole compartment pushes.
We
into this
usually
door.
like figuring out how to do stuff ourselves because we are just self-sufficient like that. So we're just gonna learn how to do this and then show you guys, and hopefully we come out with some beautiful piercings.
It can't be too hard. Vivian pierced your ear with an apple.
Yeah, see these?
yeah, back then I did it with an apple and a needle.
So this is way more
They're still
official.
there.
So
Well, I'm not getting anything pierced, so I'm gonna be cameraman now.
We don't have a surgical pen, so we're just gonna use a Sharpie. We're not professionals, so don't judge what we're doing or using.
don't try this at home, or try it at home, but don't.
Don't blame us.
We're not responsible for anything that happens in your home. Step 1, safety. Step 2, alcohol swab, disinfect.
You're wiping off your dot.
I didn't put it out yet.
Oh.
And then step 3, find a location. Who's gonna go first?
I was kind of hoping you would.
So
Rock, paper, scissors.
I'll go first.
Viv will go
But
first.
who's piercing mine?
You
I'll do
get to
it.
pick.
Hannah.
Who would you like to pick? Who would you like to pierce
Who do
your
you
ears?
trust?
I need someone with strength, you know, so they force it through. That
Precision.
way, there's, the end of it, there's that, and me and Anne pierced it one time, and we couldn't get through the end of the skin. It took forever to put.
Ew.
And I'm trying to do that again. I want one and done. So someone.
So who do you pick?
Someone with accuracy, 'cause I mean, the person I choose.
I already volunteered. No one else wants to do it.
Totally miss the.
All right, Hannah. I trust Hannah.
I picked Hannah
Yeah.
too. I don't even trust myself. Are you gonna like count?
Wait,
down?
how do I zoom?
I'm scared.
How do I zoom,
what?
man?
Okay, 3. Twist the front thing. Don't be scared.
Then why are you scared?
Don't pull away.
Yeah, Kim, what the heck?
She's telling me she's scared as she's doing it.
Wait, you have to just know where the earring's gonna end up. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ew, it's like she stapled my ear, yo.
Good.
Yeah.
How do you think?
It's black.
It's what?
A
Because
black
a Sharpie,
earring.
it's black.
No.
No, it's a black earring.
Oh, you know!
You gotta be stuck with these for. I can't take the other side off. I don't want to
Wait.
make your.
Oh, why did we look to see what color earring it was?
You
Whatever.
bought it.
Dude, you need to wait at least 2 weeks before you change it. I forgot what the.
Yeah, you gotta be
proper-
careful. Let it heal. There we go.
There it is,
Piercing number
y'all.
1. Badass, man.
I didn't want black. Initially hurts. And then after that, you don't feel anything.
All right, Kim's getting her second one now.
It's the technique, you know. You gotta do it fast, like. 3, 2, 1.
What happened?
What fell down?
It's just the part of the earring. Bitch, why are you laughing?
I thought it, like,
I'm definitely not doing my cartilage.
hell no.
Fuck
That
that.
really hurts.
Hell no. That would hurt so bad.
Are you sad it's over?
No, I'm happy.
It's fine. It probably
3,
doesn't hurt.
2, 1.
Oh, that one hurt. It might have been on my
Yeah, it was
cartilage.
like.
Ha ha ha
That was like on the outside of your cartilage.
Fuck, I think she actually got my cartilage.
Well, no, I tried to pull it the outside of your cartilage,
Ooh,
but I think the
but-
dot you put it.
I think it's like right on
Close.
it. It's okay. That was
Yeah.
just done.
You want Kim to do it?
No, I got it.
Wait, let me know. You have to count 3, 2, 1.
I will. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just trying to get it as close as I can. Okay.
Vivian's gonna be playing music.
3,
2. Woo!
Oh wow.
Where did that fall to?
You think
Let
you
me
some
see
kind
that
of
video.
player? What I say about that? Reaction? Thoughts?
Pain is temporary. It's not that bad.
Dude, honestly,
let me see.
I've got these. The last person who did mine messed up, and Hannah, she fixed me.
I would recommend this kit to everybody.
I was just kidding.
Come on,
1,
man.
2.
It
I was
the biggest
expecting a little
list of
less
all.
pain than that, but I can do that.
It's cute.
I'm gonna touch it.
Thanks, man. Wow.
Cute.
Maybe a little more.
That's the one I want.
Don't forget to clean your ears tonight, ladies.
I clean my ears every night.
You do.
Wow, y'all, check it out.
Alright, whatever.
What you think?
We
Scale.
got
How did the piercers do?
great. My earrings are accidentally black, but I will change it as soon as I can.
She got 4 new piercings.
Yay, now we are all twins.
And then Hannah is gonna do it now with us too, so we can have matching ones.
East. All right, we're doing her 4th.
She's only getting 1 though, so.
Oh,
No, I'm getting 2.
3, 2, 1.
it's not bad. Yeah. Bitch got her nipples pierced and she's scared.
This one stings though. More than my
Cut that out, Mom's watching.
Mom knows.
I know. Does she?
Yeah, Mom knows.
That's a big stud, but it's fine.
All right, today's Sister Day was a success. We each gained something new, some more than others.
Yep, it turned out way better than I expected.
And didn't hurt too much. It was fun. Great
It's a
bonding
nice-
time.
Quarantine activity.
Yes, that's
And
what-
Ann
exactly
said-
what I was gonna say.
Yeah. And Ann said it was something that we'd have forever. And
We're gonna think back, quarantine 2020.
What did you do? We got ear piercings.
What did we come out of 2020 quarantine with?
ear
No
piercings.
piercings.
But let's see what kind of trouble we get into next week.
Next week.
Yeah.
Bye, thanks for watching. Okay, we look so dumb holding this.
I always
Someone
say
else
next
hold it.
week like that because